on the other hand, also was the kickstart for the J70 festivities that we're going to have here along the winter. This is the first J70 regatta in Cascais, of course in a different format than the fleet racing. But in 2 weeks we'll have the first Cascais Sail Trophy in J70, where we'll kickstart short of 20 boats, but it's a quite strong start. And then every month, except in January, we will have a series of events that will take us up to April. So this is going to be a busy winter season for the J70 in Cascais.
That was excellent, organized the whole event. I thank the club and everybody for Sail Cascais for doing this. I mean, we had tons of fun, and when it came to our racing, we just tried to avoid mistakes, and that paid off in the end. So we were very, very pleased.
With a team that is only girls. The girls were from the club, from the laser team. So it was a really nice experience for them and for me. I think the event was quite nice. We had great conditions in Cascais, like always. So we are happy. I think the girls enjoy. I enjoyed. So I hope to do more events like this.
We were kindly invited here to Cascais, and we've been entertained and hosted really well by everybody here has really looked after us. The town itself has been fantastic, and thank you to everybody in Cascais for looking after us.